How to review videos you've watched on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review videos you've watched on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy settings, and then click this one, activity, and now go down. Here you will find look at actions and other activity, and here you will find videos you watch it. Just click on it and here you can review it. And that's how to review videos you watch it on Facebook Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.